In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error 0x80070005. So without any further ado, let's dive in quickly to the process. The first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows key and R key together. In that way, you'd be able to open this small window called Run. Here, please type for WS reset.exe and click on OK button to proceed. Once you have clicked on it, wait until this procedure would be finished. And once you have successfully cleared the Microsoft Store cache, you need to restart your computer and check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to navigate to the next solution, and that is first you need to open your File Explorer. Then by that, navigate to the upper center. You can see their view. Go with Show and check these hidden items. Once done, I want you to copy the path that I have given at the YouTube description. These are two. Please copy the first one, navigate to your this PC, click on it, and after that you need to proceed to the address bar here. Click the backspace key to clear it. Make a right click and click on paste and click on the enter key in your keyboard and wait until you'd be navigated on this path. Okay? So once you are being navigated on this, you need to delete all of the files that you will be able to see. Okay? Delete the files that you are going to see. And then once you have deleted it, okay, in my case it has been already deleted, you need to proceed to the second path here, which is this one. Copy and paste this one. Control C. Then you need to paste it here at the address bar again. Make a right click and click on paste. Click on the enter key in your keyboard. And there you can see settings. Please rename it. So you can rename it. Make a right click. Click on this rename icon and then please rename it into hyphen alt. Click on the enter key in your keyboard and click on yes. And after that, you need to close the window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, check if the problem has been fixed. Okay? Now, if you found this video helpful, kindly like or subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.